Hello, so I will teach you everything you need to know on how to convert number from any base to base 10. So we have this JAMB question here which we have to convert from base 2 or base n to base 10. So here the question says we should find n. So you have to find n in this question. So guys, let's start. So we have the question here, find n if 34n is equal to 10011 base 2. So the question says you should look for n if this 34 base n is equal to 1001 base 2. So this is how to do it. You have to express everything by numbering it as I explained before. You have to number everything from the right hand side to the left hand side, which is, we start from 0. So now you express it by the base, by everything you express it by its base. So we have 3 times the base, which is n, raised to the power of the position, which is 1, plus 4 times n raised to the power of the position, which is 0, is equal to, then we are here now, 1 times the base, which is 2, raised to the power of position, which is 4, plus 0 times the base, which is raised to the power of the position, which is 3, plus 0 times the base raised to the power of position, which is what, 2, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. So when you are done, you have to now multiply. You have to multiply everything together. Then here we know that anything that any raised to the power of 1 is Cn, so that will be 3n plus, and in mathematics, anything that raised to the power of 0 is 1. I mean anything that raised to the power of 0, if goat raised to the power of 0, which means it's 1. If a man raised to the power of 0 is 1. So here we have that n raised to the power of 0, which means it's 1. So that is 4 times 1, because n raised to the power of 0 is 1. So that is 4 times 1 is C4. This is equal to, and again, this is the index form of 16. Index form of 16 means when you have 2 raised to the power of 4 means you have 2 in 4 places. This 4 here is telling you that you have 2 in 4 places. So which means if you express this, you have 2 times 2, that is 4, times 2, which is 8, times 2, which is 16. So which means here 1 times 16 will give you 16, plus, and 0 times anything is 0. So 0 times 2 raised to the power of 3 is still 0, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 3 is 0, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1. 2 raised to the power of 1 means just 2. It's telling you that you have just 2 a single time. So 1 times 2 is still 2, plus, and again, as I explained before, anything that raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 will give you 1. So now we are going to sum everything. So we have 3n plus 4 is equal to 16 plus 0 is 16, plus 0 is 16, plus 2 18, plus 1 19. Then we have 19. And again you have to collect like terms. So now in collecting like terms, you look for the ones which are having alphabets. You keep them one side. The ones that are not having alphabets, you take them to the other side. So here we know that it's only 3 that is attached with an alphabet, which is 3n. The remaining 2 numbers have no alphabets. So now we are going to take 4 to the other side, because we are going to group everything. So since this 4 is having plus sign here, and we are taking it to cross this inequality sign, which is equality sign here, this 4 is not going to be plus 4, it's going to be minus 4. So we have 3n is equal to 19 minus 4, because this 4, the sign plus has changed to minus because of this inequality sign. And here we know that 19 minus 4 is 15. So 3n is equal to 15. But we are not looking for 3n, we are looking for n. So since we are looking for n, we now say divide both sides by 3 to have n. So 3n divided by 3 is equal to 15 divided by 3. 3 take care of 3. N is equal to 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 15, 5 times. 5 divided by 1 is 5. So that is just the answer.